Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add PDF file to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is PDF. So let's go to sign up for free on top right corner. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's up to you. And when you got it, click login. Now here in applications, you just want to write in the search. You just want to write in a search PDF. And here you got PDF empt. So let's create a widget. And now you can really choose which file you want or which kind of template you want. I'm going to use the sample PDF, but you can really choose which one you want. Continue with the template. Now you just click on the files and you edit the file here. And upload the file and name it. And then go to the right corner and click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go to basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now what you want to do, you just click edit. I'm going to delete this one, click plus here, right here code, and paste the code here. And voila, here you got it. Really easy PDF file. And if you like to center it to the middle, you can do one thing. You just click plus here and add a spacer and just go like here. To have it on mid if you want to. And also add a spacer from second position and just move it as you want. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.